Hey guys, Aniket here. If you guys have already got your visa and planning to pack your bags. In this video, I will break down exactly what you need to carry when moving overseas. Let's get started. First up, personal identification and civil document. Passport with your visa and residence permit. National ID card, which is not always valid abroad but helpful for home country services. TIN or tax ID, which is handy for financial tasks or tax filing back home. Birth certificate and academic records like mark sheets, transcripts, and certificates. If you guys are heading abroad for education, then don't forget your academic documents, which is admission letter or enrollment confirmation, transfer or migration certificates, language proficiency test result like IELTS or TOEFL. Regarding money, you need to carry these things. Your home income bank account details, international debit or credit cards, a bank letter or cancelled check proving your account ownership, income tax returns, which is helpful for scholarships and financial proofs, information on foreign currency or non-resident accounts if that applies to you. If you guys are opting for loan, then this is most important. Loan sanction letter and agreement. Disbursement schedule. Possibly, you might need to sign some documents regarding disbursement so that your parents can disburse that money. Authorization letter. In case a family member needs to act for you. Power of attorney, which should be notarized and legally valid. Bank contact details like your loan officer name, branch, and helpline numbers. You need to take care of your health before even you land. You will need vaccination records including COVID-19, basic medical history and prescriptions, health insurance, both local and international, and blood group report, which is simple but essential. Next thing is legal and notarized documents. As discussed earlier, you might need to get a power of attorney, which is crucial if you are leaving your assets or responsibilities back home. Any legal agreements required by your destination country. And finally, these are often overlooked items. Passport size photos with the correct background for your destination. Driving license plus international driving permit. Rental agreement or home address proof. International SIM card with KYC documents if you are planning to keep your home number active. Here are some pro tips to digitize all your key documents. Like you can keep it on Google Drive or even in your phone. Always carry 2 to 3 photocopies of each document. Always keep originals in waterproof folder. And that's your ultimate checklist for moving abroad. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Apart from this, I put some really important information like job fairs in Czech Republic on my Instagram channel. So make sure you follow me there as well. Thank you.